4. Now you have to know how to draw the electron shells for the electronic configurations of elements given their atomic number. So now you're given the atomic number of 14 and you're told to draw in order for you to find the number of valence shell electrons. So you have to have the first electron shell, which normally has just 2 electrons. Then subsequent electron shells have, or subsequent shells have 8. So you now have to count out the number of atomic numbers in the atomic number. So you have 14. So you have 1, 2. This one should have 8. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,